Welcome to the enchanting world of wood carving, a craft that combines artistic expression with the timeless beauty of wood. In this article, we delve into an essential aspect of this art form, the tools that bring wood to life. Choosing the right carving tools can be a daunting task, especially for beginners. With a plethora of options available, it's crucial to find tools that are not only of high quality but also suitable for your skill level and the projects you wish to undertake. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best wood carving kit from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Beavercraft S15 Whittling Wood Carving Kit. The Beavercraft S15 Whittling Wood Carving Kit emerges as an exceptional choice tailored for novices and youthful enthusiasts stepping into the intricate realm of wood carving. This kit, meticulously curated, boasts high carbon steel tools comprising a detailed chip knife, a cutting knife, and a roughing knife, each sporting a 1-inch blade length, ensuring meticulousness and ease in tackling intricate carving tasks. Accompanying these tools is a leather strop and polishing compound indispensable for preserving the sharpness and durability of the blades. What sets this kit apart is its user-centric design, emphasizing comfort and immediate readiness for carving endeavors. The ergonomic wooden handles are crafted to mitigate hand fatigue during prolonged carving sessions, a pivotal feature especially for beginners. Moreover, the tools come pre-sharpened, enabling novices to commence carving without the need for preparatory measures. Further enhancing convenience, the kit includes a convenient tool roll for the storage and transportation of the instruments. Number 2. Flexcut Starter Carving Set. Tailored explicitly for beginners, the Flexcut Starter Carving Set presents a comprehensive initiation into the artistry of wood carving. Distinguished by its inclusion of both knives and palm tools, this set provides a versatile array of carving options. Comprising 4 essential components: a versatile cutting knife, a detail knife for intricate work, a sweep gouge, and a V-tool crafted from razor-sharp 1095 high-carbon steel, ensuring prolonged sharpness and resilience. The blades come ready for immediate use, offering a significant advantage for novices unfamiliar with tool preparation. What renders the Flexcut set particularly enticing is its ergonomic construction. The handles of both knives and palm tools are fashioned from ash wood, contoured to fit snugly in the user's hand, thereby reducing fatigue and heightening control, especially during protracted carving sessions. The flexibility of the blade shafts further enhances precision, facilitating ease of manipulation for novices. Number 3. Morak Wood Carving 120 Knife Laminated Steel. The Morak Wood Carving 120 knife, boasting a high carbon steel blade and a Scandinavian birchwood handle, stands as an exemplar tool for novices delving into wood carving. Favored for its premium quality and precision, this knife features a 2.4-inch 60 mm blade, offering exceptional control and accuracy across various woodworking tasks. The full tang construction of the blade, indicative of durability and equilibrium, extends into an ergonomically designed, barrel-shaped wooden handle. This ergonomic handle not only offers comfort but also ensures the requisite grip and stability for intricate carving endeavors, making it an ideal selection for burgeoning carvers honing their skills. One of the standout attributes of the Morak Wood Carving 120 is its versatility. Suited for a myriad of wood carving styles including whittling and detailed woodworking, the high carbon steel blade retains sharpness over time, while its tapered design facilitates effortless resharpening, ensuring the knife remains a steadfast companion for ongoing creative pursuits. Number 4. Scarf Fullsize Wood Carving Tool Set. The Scarf Fullsize Wood Carving Tool Set represents a comprehensive ensemble tailored for novice woodworkers and carvers alike. Encompassing 12 versatile chisels, this set accommodates an array of projects, ranging from relief carvings to wood spirits, house signs, caricature figures, bowls, and spoons. Each tool is meticulously crafted from high-quality alloy chromium vanadium steel, ensuring razor-sharp blades and enduring durability. Hardened to Rockwell C60, these blades maintain their sharpness for extended durations, diminishing the need for frequent sharpening, thereby allowing beginners to focus more on refining their carving skills. In addition to their cutting prowess, these tools are engineered for longevity and user-friendliness. The European-style octagonal ash wooden handles not only offer a comfortable grip but also prevent the tools from rolling off the workspace, a seemingly minor yet significant detail enhancing both safety and convenience. Number 5. GIMRS 12 Set SK5 Carbon Steel Wood Carving Tools. The GIMRS 12 Set SK5 Carbon Steel Wood Carving Tool serves as an ideal entry point for beginners embarking on their wood carving journey, catering to both children and adults alike. This meticulously curated set provides all the essential tools a novice might require to foster a passion for wood carving. Featuring 12 diverse shapes and sizes, it is perfect for a myriad of projects, from intricate designs to larger-scale carvings. Crafted from high-quality SK5 carbon steel, renowned for its durability and sharpness, each tool in the set is coated electrolytically to ensure longevity and resistance to wear, while the razor-sharp edge is conducive to detailed carving work. Emphasizing user comfort and practicality, the design of the GIMRS carving tools is centered around sturdy and well-crafted wooden handles, providing a smooth and comfortable grip. This aspect is particularly crucial for beginners engaged in lengthy practice sessions, mitigating the risk of blisters and hand fatigue. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.